तो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द सौरभ सर क्लासेस। ये भी आज हम लोग टीआईएफआर का एक और लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। सो हियर गिवन दैट लेट v be the real vector space of real polynomial in Rx of degree less than or equal to 10. That means given that v is a vector space of polynomial Rx such that degree of px is less than equals to 10. एंड द लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे डिफाइन किया है कि t of px is t of 2x plus of 1. So what will be the trace of this t? So let us take a standard basis. Let the standard basis is 1 x x square. Standard basis b is 1 x x square x cube x to the power 4 and dot 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 up to x to the power 10. Okay, so according to the given linear transformation, t of 1 is simply 1. Okay. T of x is a polynomial of 2x plus 1. That means this is simply 2x plus of 1, which is 1 plus of 2x. Okay. T of x square is 2x plus of 1 square. That means 1 plus of 4x plus of 2 square x square. But that means 4x square, which can be written as 2 square x square. Similarly, t of x cube is 2x plus of 1 cube, which can be written as 1 plus of 6x plus of 12 x square plus 2 cube x cube. Similarly, dot 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 dot. So, continuing this process, we see that the coefficient of, so continuing this process, see that the अब हम लोग इसको अगर मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन में करने का कोशिश करेंगे, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गेट t of 1 is 1. That means the first column is 1 0 0 0 dot dot dot, but t of x is 2 to the power 2. T of x is 1 plus of 2x, so its matrix representation is 1 2 0 0 dot dot dot. Similarly, for t of x square, it is 1 plus 4x plus 2 square x square. That means which can be written as in column as 1 4 2 square 0 dot 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 dot. Similarly, ये continue होता चलेगा. So we see that the coefficient of x to the power k, the coefficient of x to the power k are all the diagonal elements of the matrix representation of the linear transformation T. Okay, so the coefficient of x to the power k are the matrix diagonal element of the matrix representation of this linear transformation. So therefore, we know that trace of T is sum of all diagonal elements, sum of all diagonal elements. That means which will gives 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus dot dot dot. बेसिस का लास्ट वाला टर्म हम लोग अगर यूज करेंगे which is x to the power 10, so which can be written as 2x plus of 1 to the power 10 according to the given transformation. So इसका लास्ट टर्म होगा 2 to the power 10. So the sum will continue up to 2 to the power 10. That means which will gives 2 to the power 11 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 11 means 2 to the power 11 means 2 square to the power 5 into 2 minus 1, and denominator is 1. So 4 to the power 5 means 16 into 16 into 4, and the 4 comes with 2, which is 8 minus 1. That means 16, 16, 256, 2048 minus 1. So answer is 2047. This will be the trace of t. So now comes to the option. So option B is true. So 2047 is the correct option. Thank you.